Students, in our previous video, we were discussing about the importing style sheets, external style sheets in any web page. So let's go back on the specific web page. Let me show you. We were discussing about the external style sheet in which we already define two values, that is H1 and H2. In H1 and H2, we stored some values regarding font family, that is Arial. Text alignment means where we want to display or align our text, that is center. Border around the, we want to add border around the text, and the border, you can say thickness is thick groove gray, means it will be in gray color. Now another value we stored in that is the font family. Font style is belt empty. This is the name of the font. Now text alignment, in this we decide to remain it right side. Then border thick groove, this time red. And the third option is it is related with body portion, that is color will be white and background color will be lime green. Means the background color will be green, light green, you can say, that is a lime green. This is the color. And the text color will be white automatically. Okay, students. Now we attach or import this style sheet, which is stored with the extension of CSS. You can see that. In this time, we will not go for .html because it is not HTML file. It is cascading style sheet file. So save it. Now go on the specific web page in which we want to add this. Look, students, I told you that we need three main elements of it, like REL with link, that is a relation or relative. Here we define style sheet, and then href, hypertext reference. In this, we will write the name of the CSS file, that is ext.css, and the type will be text or CSS. In my previous video, I told you that we already decided or we already defined in style tag. But this time you have to be very careful that we have to delete the style tag when we want to import any file in any web page, because style tag we will use only when we want to define all the style commands, CSS command in this web page. But here we are not going to define any command, so there is no need to write style tag. Okay, beta. Now next, with this command we establish a link between two files. First is ext.css, that is CSS file, different file, and this web page, that is css.html. Okay, now here in the body section, I am calling these values, those values which we already defined in our CSS file. Now H1, you can see it, H1 and H2. Let's minimize it. Now H1. In H1, I define this line, and after that, I have to close it. And the same case with H2. Okay, students. Now I am going to show you the output of this program. You will be very much surprised to see the output. This is the output. Now, here you can see the coding and the output together. CSS provides many commands. In this, it is defined by H1. H1 में क्या था? Let me show. That was in H1. In H1, font family was Arial. This is the Arial font. Now text alignment center. you can clearly see that the text is accurately in center of the page. Now border is thick but with groove gray color. You can see the groove gray means inside two sides it's gray from inside, and two side it's gray from outside. In the same way, when we use H2, now what is in H2? H2 in font family, font is changed, text align is right side, border is thick but with red color. Now again go on the output. Look students, you can match. The font is different from this, right? This is bell empty and text alignment is right side. You can see text is right side aligned automatically, and the border thick, groove red. So in this way, students, you can attach or you can import your different created CSS file with any web page. You just write this command. With this command means this link rel style sheet, then hypertext reference files which you want to attach, and type is text/CSS. This is the prescribed command. Okay, students, you can do this with another command also. That command is different from it. That is import command. For import command, the syntax is @ sign, then you will write import, and after that you will write URL and bracket start. In bracket, you have to write the name of it, just like ext.css. Okay, beta. Now close the bracket and semicolon. With the help of it, you can do same thing. You can use link command or you can use import command. I am explaining it again. @ sign, then you will write import word, and then URL. URL kaun sa hai? That will be in bracket ext.css.